Darkness fall, but me not stay blind. The moon say wait, but the sun say shine. Me walk on the path where them can't define. The rhythm a guide me, heart beat the time. Jah light inna the morning, oh me say so bright. Push away the shadow, bring the truth to sight. Every step me make, him I make it right. Jah light, him a guide me fight. Jah light inna the morning, oh me say so bright. Push away the shadow, bring the truth to sight. Every step me make, him I make it right. Jah light, him a guide me fight. Them plant bad seed, but me reap good fruit. My roots run deep, them can't uproot. Fire burn Babylon, me not dilute. Truth on my arm, my love on my soul. Rise up the lion, rise up the flame. Call upon Jah name, me no play no game. Jah light inna the morning, oh me say so bright. Push away the shadow, bring the truth to sight. Every step me make, him I make it right. Jah light, him a guide me fight. Them high, but me climb them still. The valley them low, but me hold Jah will. Me carry the torch for Jah light fulfill. Guidance and strength for the heart and skill. Oh, for the heart and skill. Me do me best. Them a talk about fear, me talk about fire. Heart full of strength, me climb up higher. This storm a rage, but me nah go bend. Lion Heart chant till the very end. Lion Heart chant, me roar, stand firm. Me nah take no detour. Lion Heart chant, me soul, me core. Jah light shine bright, me want no more. But me say every trial a wisdom gain. The river deep, the current strong, but Lion Heart know where it belong. Me spirit high like the mountain breeze. Me roots deep like the ancient trees. Them a doubt, but me nah retreat. Lion Heart chant make the rhythm sweet. Oh, chant it loud, chant it true for the youth them lost, for the old ones too. Jah wisdom flow like the morning dew. Lion Heart chant for a life brand new. Them say the road is rocky, no easy fi climb. But me nah fear no shadow, me nah watch the time. Me heart strong like lion, me spirit divine. Jah guide me steps one by one, every line. Mount Zion prayer, rise from the breeze. The sun it a blaze, but me cool in a shade. The fire burn, but me soul never fade. Me carry the cross, me carry the blade. Fi cut through the chains that Babylon laid. Oh Jah, me call for your name. Oh Jah, your light break the shame. Hey, 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 hey. Mount Zion prayer, rise from the breeze. Yeah. Jah love surround me like the roots them trees. Oh Jah, my knees them seize. Mount Zion prayer bring the soul pure ease. Me chanting at the dark till the light a show. Me sing for the weak till the strong them know. The mountains them tall but my spirit grow. So last year I bless me path to flow. Oh. Message them carry, no need for deny. The drumbeat echo, tell me why the mountain whisper, my soul comply. Prophecy from the hills, Jah voice still speak. Truth rise up like the river, strong on me. Them words are blessed, them hearts it seek. Prophecy from the hills, Jah wisdom peak. Them Babylon walls can't hold me faith. The lion roar, me nah go away. Roots grow deep, them can't separate. The fire burn bright, no time for debate. Him say look to the east, the sun will rise. Him say walk on the path, open your eyes. Prophecy from the hills, Jah voice still speak. Truth rise up like the river, strong on me. Them words are blessed, them hearts it see. Prophecy from the hills, Jah wisdom peak. Chains are illusion, the soul are steel. The wind a whisper, the trees are kneel. My spirit so high, my wounds them heal. Truth ablaze, it no retreat. Fire burn, the darkness fall. The roots rise, we hear Jah call. Rastaman Vision, see it clear. Higher heights, Jah draw near. Rastaman Vision, heart so pure. Guidance strong, the path secure. Oh, forward move, can't live feel like Babylon crumble. Jah love can't die. Chant them words, make the earth them shake. Soul ignite like the morning break. Them chains are snap. Freedom we are take. Rastaman Vision, see it clear. Higher heights, Jah draw near. Rastaman Vision, heart so pure. Died and strong, the path secure. Oh,
beat with the drum of Jah Light. Roots run deep like the sea and the sun. My bloodline calling, whisper in my ear. Guidance from ancestors make the path clear. Roots of my soul, them never let go. Them hold me tight like the rivers that flow. Roots of my soul, them keep me whole. Jah Light a shine in me heart, in me goal. My mind travel far, but my feet stay true. The wisdom of the elders make me brand new. Them say, stand tall, never bow to the storm. My spirit rise high in the night till the morn. Them say the journey rough, but me no afraid. My soul a soldier, never get swayed. Roots of my soul, them never let go. Them hold me tight like the rivers that flow. Roots of my soul, them keep me whole. Jah Light a shine in my heart, in my goal. Me say rise up youth, you are king, you are queen. Plant your seed deep, reap the fruit unseen. The world may tremble, but your roots them strong. Them sing the old hymn, the eternal song.
Them say me small, but my voice it tall. Like the mountain shouting over the wall. Rivers flow, but them can't drown my call. Them try for silence, but my spirit not stall. Voice in the wilderness, yeah man now. Crying for the people, make the fire glow. Truth of the sword, I'm a wield it so. Voice in the wilderness, make the thunder grow. birds I whisper, the trees them bow. But my words cut deep, deeper than flow. Who can see light in a darkness bow? Rise up on Babylon, me not take no coast. Stand firm, me say, my roots them strong. Lion heart beat in the battle. Voice in the wilderness. Hear me now, crying for the people, make the fire glow. Truth of the sword, I'm a will it so. Voice in the wilderness, make the thunder grow. I'ma seal it still. Nah, give up. My spirit can't kill. One little spark like the whole hill. Truth of the balm, can't take no pill. Can grow. Me say chant down the walls, let the spirit show. In a Babylon shadow, the fire still glow. Them are blind, but me eyes them open. Them are deaf, but me heart still spoken. Zion trainer come.
Zion trainer come tune make way.
Feed the lion and the lamb of the righteous day.
Zion trainer come true it roll.
Carry the weary, the broken, the souls.
Zion trainer come true make way.
Them say climb on the mountain, the view it clear. But beware of the serpent, the lies them near. Keep the drumbeat steady, keep the mind sincere. Feed the road to Zion, our love will stare. Them a fight, but me just still guide me. Them a hate, but me light still shine free. Zion trainer come.
Zion trainer drone you it roll.
Carry the weary, the broken, the souls.
Zion trainer come true make way.
Feed the lion and the lamb of the righteous day.
Zion trainer come true it roll.
Carry the weary, the broken, the souls.
Zion trainer come true make way.
The sun rise for every man. Blessing flow like the river one. From the roots to the sky, we stand firm. We strong. Me say life at the school. Learn the lesson. No wrong. Call upon the Most High, Jah guide me feet in the storm. In the fire, make the blessing sweet. Call upon the Most High when the world get cold. Him a the anchor, him a the soul, him a the anchor. of the soul.
Them say Babylon a try fi blind we eye, but me sight deeper than the wicked lie. Wisdom grow like the ancient tree. From this isle of truth, me spirit free. Make the drum beat strong, make the chant carry long. Me say Zion where me belong. Call upon the Most High, Jah guide me feet in the storm. In the fire, make the blessing sweet. Call upon the Most High when the world get cold. Him a the anchor, him a the soul, him a the anchor, him a the soul. Them say faith a the lantern, light the dark, me sail over the compass. Find your mark from the hills to the valley. Hear the lark sing praises for Jah, ignite the spark. Set things right, ancient whispers from the earth. So wise, them say walk with Jah, open your eyes. The stars them twinkle like them no fear. Every beat of truth make the pathway clear. From the valley low to the mountain high. Drumbeat of justice, never tell lie. Drumbeat of deliverance, feel it in your soul. Boom boom, it a heal, make your spirit whole. Now stop the chant, now break the chain. Drum drum, no beat of freedom like sweet chariot. The lion roar, but the lamb still sing. Harmony rising on everything, brother. See strength, hold your ground strong. The struggle hard, but it not last long. The beat of pulse, it a heartbeat true. Guide in the last, make them find them crew. Every step up forward, now look back. Drum